Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just saw by the title I'm going to be doing a slick low bun tutorial with a swoop bang. Last time I had my hair like this was 8th grade, but my hair was relaxed, so it was easier to do. And my hair, it's all 100% natural, so this is going to be a little frustrating and harder to do. Make sure your hair is detangled before doing this. It doesn't have to be 100% detangled, if I'm being honest with you, but making it to where it's detangled just a little bit makes it kind of easier to do and will save you time at the end of it. So I'm just brushing it out. I've had it in a top knot, not a top knot bun, but I've had it in just a top bun for a minute. So all of my hair has compressed together and molded into one. Okay, so I just washed my face and put in my contacts. So now we're ready to go. I haven't worn clothes in a minute. I feel so weird. We're going to use a bristle brush, and I call this a detangling brush. I don't know. No, I think this is a bristle brush and this is a hard brush. I don't know. I'm also going to be using Gorilla Snot as gel, and I mainly use it for my edges. And I'm also going to be using Eco Styling Gel. Also, I'm going to need a toothbrush for edges, optional. And then I also have an edge brush, but I'm going to most likely use this part. And I'm also going to be using this part to part my hair. Okay, so the first things first is to figure out where you want your part. So my part is going to go this way. I feel like this is like a good side for me. And every time I wear my hair down, I don't know, because when I wear my hair down, I wear it this way. I can't really explain it. It's kind of weird. So just make it. A lot of people say to start from your eyebrow and go up and do it, but I think that is way too much since I actually have eyebrows. So I'm just starting kind of like right here, which is where my arch is, kind of like throughout the middle, right there. But in my opinion, start where you want to. It's your hair. So you want to make sure the part is as straight as possible. It's just going to look nicer if it's straight. And then all of this is going to be down. So just make sure you know exactly. This is how it would look. This part is gonna get slicked down. Since it's gonna be brought to the front though, it'll look better. So do whatever you need to do. But I think this is fine because I like to pull it in. Like, I'm gonna show you like all of that in the end, towards the end. So I'm just doing this. All right, and I'm grabbing some gel. And I'm putting it all around the other side of my hair. And I was watching some tutorials on people doing top knots because I'm not really good at those. And a lot of people were taking their bang part out, but when you're doing this part, this kind of hairstyle, it's way more easier to do. Alright, and you're just gonna brush it all down. Make sure that you're also detangling it as you go on for a more fuller look. Alright, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit more, rub it through my hands and kind of like just push it down. And make sure you're getting the back as well. And just grabbing it as if you were making a ponytail. Like, you just want it slick. But since my hair is detangled and blow dried from like the root kind of, it's pretty flat. So I don't have to put that much gel in it. So that's my bun. Remember to just pull and fluff as you go on for better results. Now I'm taking this right here, and we're taking a little bit as well, not a lot, because this is the part that you want to be really, really slicked. But you do not have to put a lot of gel in your hair to get your hair slick. And I just hope everyone knows that you don't have to put hella gel in your hair for it to be slick. This is where the bang is gonna go. So, alright. And when you brush and hold it, it shows you the slickiness right here. Ow. Alright. And then I'm brushing it out. Also brushing it out like this is gonna help it blend in with the rest of the hair. Alright, now we're going to the rest of it, which is this right here. And I'm gonna put some gel near the part. And I'm not, it's optional to leave hairs like this out, since it's on this side, kind of determining if I wanna. No, I'm gonna leave it out. I'm just gonna brush it in with the rest. So when you comb it down, that's when you just put it behind your ears like that. Alright, and I'm going to part my hair kinda so I can have this side. Oh, and also I want to say I do have some heat damages from when I got a sew-in, just in case you guys see curly hair, straight hair, and are like, what the hell. So I did get some heat damage. So I only have a couple of straight pieces in the front of my hair, and that's it. Brush it like this. And since this is the part that's going to be trying to lift up, so make sure you, when it comes to the bang, you get like the whole strand. Alright, then I'm gonna add that. So it looks like that. It's pretty big. Alright. And then right now I'm just messing up my nails, kind of just sticking my hands in the gel. But now we're just working our way towards this part. right here, not so much on the top. Like all around here basically, like in the back and stuff. And then brushing it as hard as you can for the slickiness. And I'm doing my edges on this side. Alright, and I'm using this brush right here, the little skinny one. Make sure to get in there too. My toe holders, I like to use scrunchies because I feel like it's somewhat just protecting my hair, even if it's not. I just feel like it is. Start fluffing it out. All in the middle, all around it. Okay, now this is the edges part. Like this. All right. After you do that, I'm going in with the rest of the Gorilla Snot and using it to lay down. Now that everything's nice and sleeked, I'm going in with this right here, and this is gonna lay everything down. Putting it mainly in the front, like this, and then bring it under tight, and then tie it up in the front. And you don't really have to double it, to be honest, like as far as tying it back. And then this right here is the only part that's out. All right, so I did get some lifting right there. I just put a bobby pin there. I just took it off and this is how it looks. I'm about to go put it back on.
We have waves. Oh my god. I did not think there was no shit when I came in here.
It ain't gonna all be perfect.
Well, knowing you, it usually would have to be.
Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye.